I'm sorry, am I blocking your film? So we have Harris, aka Mike Teevee, playing. Yes, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to
distract. That was my first ball, and it didn't last very long. So,
that's all. It's my fault. I distracted you.
A little.
But I have your compatriot already up, so I have to put this one up.
One division, yay! Oh, I think they may have just shown a picture of me, by the way.
Yeah, it did.
It takes a selfie of me and shows it. I can't look right now.
Where did they send it?
They just show it. I just can't look.
That's actually one of the things about a Jersey Jack machine. There's so much happening on the board, it's very easy to get distracted.
Everybody in Marble Falls.
Gets the ramp. Oh, kicked out.
What is that? New ball? Oh, no.
That's just still saving your head.
Oh, okay. Done?
Oh, it's up, set up for two players. You can play both, why not?
Sorry.
Oh, there's a ball lock. Battery's near there.
Up the ramp, I think? Is lit?
I try for the gobstopper again. That's where the big points are. If you can lock 3, you can get the multi-ball.
What did I ask? Because I went nowhere near it.
So, you want what
Okay, so yeah, this was the big bunnies here, huh?
Yeah, so there's a multi-ball there. If you hit this target enough times, you hit it once, it'll turn, and open, then you gotta get the ball in there. Do that 3 times, to start that multi-ball.
Sure.
Your mode is the mic shots are all these cyan colored arrows. So you're gonna hit that one, and then you hit this one, and then you hit that one.
Cyan colored, yeah.
Yep, and then it'll do 3 random shots on the playfield, and you gotta collect them all in order to complete your turn.
Yeah, spell Wonka.
Spell Wonka. Spell out Wonka.
Yep.
And light up these 3 for one of these 4 down here.
Tickets or whatever, right?
So the tickets are earned by beating a lot of the really deep stuff in the game.
Okay, got it. So that's sort of the master puzzle.
So, right.
Yeah.
Wizard mode. So the loop shots are collecting Wonka bars for you.
Yes.
Or the ramp shots. So the red arrow, red bars, Wonka bar. Those will all give you more and more Wonka bars.
Okay.
And that's your bonus score.
And those are the major points?
Well, those are the points at the end of your ball every time.
No, I mean that's pretty much the big drivers descriptions, or doing something good.
Those are the big. That's the 30,000 foot view of how to play.
Yeah. Almost. It's gotta be up. Of course, I'm going to try to hit my own stuff. All right, I think that might be it. There we go.
All right. So, what did you think of the game?
Oh no, I knew before I played it that I was going to like it. Actually, it's interesting. They've got the risers up a little high here. As I stepped up, the guy said it was a little steep, and I think that's to keep the turnaround going so more people get to play. I don't have very much to say about it that's technical because I'm not a pinball geek per se, but I will say that it's fun. I like hearing my own voice and seeing my face on it. It's very pretty. You know, everybody that does know about pinball machines that I've talked to says that it's excellent. So I'm going to assume that they know what they're talking about.
Well, you're one of the few people at Pintastic who other people would allow to cut to play this game. There's always a line in front of Jersey Jack games.
That's right.
And
I'll try not to abuse the privilege.
now you were the designer of the game. Now were you the design?
Oh. I'm not the designer.
Oh.
This game was designed by Pat Lawler. I was just on the design team.
Oh, you're on the design team.
I'm the designer of Pirates of the Caribbean.
Ah, the last year's Star game.
Yep.
Now the Jersey Jack machines, every time there's a Jersey Jack machine here, there's always a line in front of it. Of course, now you've got the people, you know, you've got the stars of the machine over here.
Yep.
What is it about the Jersey Jack machines? What is the design team doing that's just making everybody, what are you guys doing so right?
We do a lot of things right. So our games always are packed jam full of toys and shots and flippers. We haven't yet done a only 2 flipper game. All of them have been 3 or more. The rule depth is something we're really proud of in our games. So our games live for a long time in your home collection as well as on location.
And I should have mentioned that your name is Eric Minure, one part of the design team. Now also, all of the Jersey Jack games are all PG-13. There's nothing that you would be ashamed of having your kid play or check out.
Absolutely. All of our games are very family friendly. Fun to play, fun call outs, make you laugh, make you relive the movies, as well as our unique, our own theme dialed in. You know, it's very family friendly, it's fun. Disaster theme that Pat Lawler did, in track with some of his previous disaster games like Whirlwind and Earthshaker and things like that.
Now, can you give us a clue as to what's coming next?
I cannot.
All right. Well, thank you so much. That's Eric. How do you pronounce your last name?
Minure.
Minure. Thank you so much for your time.
You're very welcome.